Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy to remove wrinkles and fine lines and to stimulate collagen naturally, guys, with simple ingredients. This effective remedy will help you tremendously in order to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and to get young skin naturally, guys. The first thing we will need to prepare that remedy is 1 egg whites, and then my friends will need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and you can use the market aloe vera gel or the natural aloe vera gel. Here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. And then my friends will need to add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, يعني شهد. Then we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of bay leaves, and here I grinded fine 1 or 2 bay leaves, and add 1 teaspoon. Now mix the ingredients very well. Now after mixing the ingredients, our remedy is ready. Apply it on clean skin that has no makeup or dust, and massage your skin with it, and apply generous amount, my friends. This going to stimulate the collagen for you, and it's going to remove the wrinkles and the fine lines naturally, guys, at home. And it's better than Botox and all the unnatural and plastic fillers. This amazing remedy, my friends, will help you tremendously. It's recommended, and I really suggest you try it. And my friends, leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until it dries completely. Then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the large open pores. And my friends, the remedy will help you tremendously. You will see dramatic results after third time of using that remedy, and from first use you will notice results in your skin. Your skin will be tight as glass, and you will notice a great results, my friends. I hope that video will help you too. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.